Delhi police team is now on its way to Jodhpur now to probe charges against Asaram. The self-styled godman, in fact, has been accused of raping a minor. An FIR has also been registered. We'll just cut across to Bhavtosh in a bit, but first up, let's get you this reaction coming in from the PRO for Asaram Bapu.
जब तहकीकात होगी तो पता चलेगा बिल्कुल गलत है, कुछ है ही नहीं, इसमें दम ही नहीं है।
क्या वो लड़की रह रही थी आश्रम में?
वो सब बात की बात है, लड़की रह रही है नहीं रही वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पता चलेगा, लेकिन ये जो मामला उठ रहा है, ये रह रह के जो मामले उठते हैं, सोचने की बात है। एक संत जिसने समाज को, दुनिया को इतना कुछ दिया है, उसको ये सब की जरूरत पड़ेगी? कभी संभव ही नहीं।
लेकिन आश्रम में क्या वो लड़की रह रही थी या नहीं?
ये मैं नहीं जानती, उसको आज की डेट में मैं नहीं जानती, उस लड़की को भी मैं नहीं जानती, लेकिन ये खबर बिल्कुल गलत है। कोई भी, वो भी नाबालिग, जबकि बापूजी खुद बच्चियों को जिस तरह से समझाते बुझाते हैं, दीक्षा देते हैं, संस्कार देते हैं, उसमें ये चीज एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती। और बापू कभी अकेले रहते ही नहीं है। बापू के साथ अगर आप 24 घंटे बापू को ऑब्जर्व करें तो बापू कभी अकेले रहते ही नहीं है।
So the official spokesperson there denying any such kind of charges. Bhavtosh is on the phone line getting us more details. Now Bhavtosh, has a medical test been conducted on this minor first of all to confirm the sexual assault?
Well, it has been conducted. Police has said that it's been confirmed that the girl was sexually assaulted. Apart from that, the police have also said that yesterday they took her to a judicial magistrate's courtroom and where she has, in fact, recreated what she had said in the FIR. In fact, giving the entire sequence of event as to how she was lured and then sexually assaulted. Now, she was first studying in a school which is owned by Asaram Bapu's Trust in Chhindwara, that's in Madhya Pradesh. She fell ill. Her parents were told that Asaram Bapu will treat her. Then she was sent to Jodhpur, where on 15th of July she was sexually assaulted not only by Asaram Bapu but one of his friends also. She came here in Delhi to meet Asaram Bapu between 18th and 20th of August when he was meeting his followers. Asaram Bapu refused to do so, and solely then they went to Kamla Market police station and lodged a complaint. Because the offence took place in Jodhpur, it's likely that the investigation will be handed over to Rajasthan police. But here in Delhi, senior officers have confirmed to Times Now that all the evidence points toward a simple fact that Asaram Bapu did sexually assaulted the girl.